Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Fashion Hair Studio. How are you all? I hope all of you will be fine and doing great. Dear viewers and dear subscriber, today in this video I am sharing the beautiful and amazing designers collections of haircuts and hairstyles of different color styles and designs. Dear viewers, you will see all of the latest designers collections of short pixie bob haircuts in today's video. Dear viewers, these haircuts are very stylish and beautiful and hopefully you'll like. Dear viewers, if you like, then also please like my video, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and more designs. And also share this video with your friends who love such types of haircuts and hair design.